Good morning, grade 10 Newton. It's me again, Teacher Donna. So today, we will have a new topic. We will discuss about addition without regrouping. So to add the numbers without regrouping, you will line up first all the addends and start adding the ones place, then the tens place, and so on until the last given place value. So let's begin with two digits without regrouping. So we have here the blocks and also have the tens place and the ones place. So the first one is we have two tens of blocks and two ones blocks. So we will put them in the place value chart. So we have all here 22. So we will put them in the place value chart. 2 in the tens place and 2 in the ones place. So we have here 22. And below here, we have 1 block and 4 blocks in the ones place. So we will put them in a place value. So 1 in the tens place and 4 in the ones place. Since we are done putting all the addends, and what we're going to do is we will add all the numbers and the blocks here. So let's go first in the ones place. Remember the rule. Always start adding in the ones place. So 2 plus 4 is equals to 6. Very good. How about the tens place? 2 plus 1 is equals to. That's great. It's number 3. So we can say that 22 plus 14 is equals to 36. Okay, that's good to hear. So let's proceed to another examples here. We have here 1 tens and 6 ones. So we can say that is all 16. We will put number 16 in the place value. 1 in the tens place and 6 in the ones place. So we have here 16. Then below it, there is also a 1 tens and 3 ones. So we will put them in the place value, which is 1 in the tens place and 3 in the ones place. Since we are now gathered all the addends, we can now start adding all the numbers here and all the blocks in here. So remember the first rule that always start adding in the ones place, which is 6 plus 3 is equals to. Excellent, that is number 9. How about the tens place? 1 plus 1 is equals to. Very good, it's number 2. So we can say that 16 plus 13 is equals to 29. Very good, grade 2 Newton. So let's proceed here. Now, let's begin or let's have a practice adding the numbers only. So we have here 34, 3 in the tens place, and ones in the 4 in the ones place. Then the other numbers or the addends is 13. 1 will be in the tens place, and 3 will be in the ones place. Since we are now gathered all the addends, we will start adding now, or let's have, or what's the sum of all these numbers. So always remember, start adding in the ones place. So 4 plus 3 is equals to 7. Very good. How about in the tens place? 3 plus 1 is equals to 4. So we can say that 34 plus 13 is equals to 47. Okay, let's continue. Let's have a practice with 3 digits. So we have here the numbers 321 and 254. The one place belongs to the 1, tens will be the 2, hundreds will be the 3, and below of it 4 will belongs to the ones place, tens will belongs 5 belongs to the tens place, and 2 belongs in the hundreds place. So remember the rule again. Always start adding in the ones, then tens, in the hundreds place. So we have here 1 plus 4 is equals to 5. Next would be 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. And let's proceed to the hundreds place, which is 3 plus 2 is equals to 5. So we can say that 321 plus 254 is equals to 575. Okay, very good. Grade 2 Newton. So this one, will you keep this one in your mind? So to add numbers without regrouping, line up the addends, then the digits with the same value should be in the same column. And start adding the ones, then the tens, and so on until the last given place value. So let's give ourselves a round of applause. Grade 2 Newton. Okay, that's great. So since you all already know how to add or how to adding without regrouping, this will be the things to do in Math 2 Lesson 2.2. Okay, very good. So, don't forget to upload your answers and your LMS account. And have a nice day, grade 2. Goodbye, grade 2 Newton. See you next week. Bye.